Hi, John Ozzy here from AudaCity Capital, Head of Training and Development. Today I'm reviewing the account of Nunziante. Nunziante has been with us from the 7th of January 2020 and up until the current present date of February the 21st, 12th of February 21st, and that's the last day that was traded. And this current date is 2nd of March. Looking at Nunziante's trading performance, we got a daily gain of 0.02%, which is very low, but this is an interesting trader. And this trader now is managing 60,000 US dollars initially, but to my very surprise, this trader is now on six figures, managing 120,000 US dollars. So looking at this trader's account now, $120,000, let's look at the journey from September up until February. You can see the traders have 1.53%, minus 2.8, down by 4%, down by minus 2.29, by 2.3. We can see the equity curve going and growing. And you can see drawdown here, but in a positive territory, drawdown here in a negative territory. Drawdown here, still in the positive, top up here, 17%. So probably a first target hit, because this trader's hit 4 targets. So 10% would be in 1 here, 2, somewhere in between here, and 3 will be around there somewhere, and 4 will be somewhere here. But when we go into the profit balance now, we can see where the traders hit the target. So at any given time, so we start here at 15, so the first target was 1500. So you can see, so we're looking for 16,500 or more. So 16,500, so 16,500 was somewhere here. In between this column of October, his first 10%, that's when we got to 30,000. So from 30,000, we need 33,000 somewhere. As you can see, we're going, ranging, and 32, 31, and we go up. So 33 will be somewhere here. That's that 10%. So that's 60, and now we need 36. Then we made 36 somewhere here, and we're on to 60,000. From 60,000, we need 6,000, and somewhere along here, he hit that 6,000, which is here. Sorry, that's a double. 60, so he hit that 56, somewhere along here. So he's made it happen. But now, this is the interesting thing. He's only done this in 79 trades. This trader's gone from 15,000 to $120,000, 6 figures, in 79 trades. And in how many months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 months. So on average, 79 divided by 5, this trader's taking about 80, about 15 trades on average, and 15 divided by 4, maybe it's taking about an average 3 to 5 trades an average every week, roughly, approximately, just a rough estimate. But let's look at what the traders traded. Just 6 pairs: Aussie franc, euro dollar, pound yen, pound dollar, New Zealand dollar CAD, and New Zealand dollar US dollar. Very interestingly, he's dominant on pound yen and euro US dollar, just as he did the last time I reviewed his account. And look at where he's done now: pound US dollar, pound yen. And if you look at both sides now, he's made $1,038 here, $1,875 here. But look at how many times he's traded the pound yen. Now, you'll be surprised. This is very interesting. He's down $1,118 here. But overall, he's in profit. How's that possible being long? This is because he's moved his stop loss down to beyond his entry, above his entry, to lock in profit. So regardless of him being at a deficit, it will always end up in profit. This is an advanced money management technique. But unfortunately, on the other side of things, he's taken $734 on the short side and been at a loss. So this brings him to a total of $6,781. So clearly this is a money management problem here in terms of risk size, risk to reward, or lot size. So I can recommend you adjust your lot sizes according to your risk and risk a percentage of the account. And on the other side as well, you got a loss here, but you got a dominant gain on the short side. And on the long side here, you got a dominant gain and a short on the short side. So I can only recommend you really focus on your money management and your risk assessment as well. Looking at a few of your trades, we can see quite a few number of losses. And I keep on saying you can have losses in this business and still be in profit overall. And as you can see the 30,000 credit, withdraw $60,000. You can see all the big gains. Can you see? We're going, as we can see, the market is just going very well for this trader. So can you see we're down by minus 2.25%, and in February we're down as well by minus 6.07%. But this is the thing, look at the previous year, it was down by minus 2.29%, a big gain in October, 13.73%, down by 0.76, up by 2.7. So what is saving this trader is that big gain in October, 13.73%. So if you deduct all the potential losses, so combine this together, this gives us a total of 862. That 862 still puts him in positive territory based on his money management technique. And this is why he's managing six figures. Now look at the drawdown. Worst drawdown came at 14.47% in February, followed by December 15, 16 back to back. But overall, look at profit, 4.15k. Now we're down by 4,000. So I believe Nunziante will bounce back from this little short drawdown. But as you can see, his best trade to date, if we look at the summary in terms of trades, his best trade was on the 4th of January, 1,165.47, and the worst trade was on the 25th of February at 3,424.05. So Nunziante, you're clearly a good trader, but we're having too many losses, and I can only recommend you balance your risk to reward. Focus on what trades work for you, which we've established from your pairs, and I'll recommend you just stay very strong on your Euro US dollar and your pound yen, because clearly these are the trades that work for you very well. Try and minimize your short trades on pairs that you're not very prolific at. And at the same time, money management and the mindset, always plan your trades, have a trading plan, and I guarantee you're going to be successful. And we're going to go on to 240,000 US dollars once we hit that 10%. Because Nunziante, we're not far from hitting 500,000 US dollars. You're 2 steps away. It's all in your own hands. Discipline and consistency, and I guarantee you're going to be successful. Have a great day, and I'd like to make sure I'll keep tabs on you, and I know I'm confident in your abilities to turn this around. So guys, be inspired by this trader. Although this trader has had a lot of losses, overall this trader is still in profit. I'm managing 120,000 US dollars, 2 steps away from hitting $500,000, joining the elite traders on the FTP program. Thank you.